Hello, good morning, and welcome to the channel. My name is Kubeir, and I am a CICC licensed immigration consultant. Muhammad Lishan says my credit card got declined when paying for my express entry application. I fixed it, paid again for it in few hours, but couldn't check if all my info like personal history, work experience was correct. Should I be worried? So you tried to submit your application. I'm hoping that when you were trying to submit your application the first time, your credit card got declined. By that time, you have already checked all the information. Okay. So from there on, if it didn't go through and then you paid for it again at a later point of time and you were able to pay, then nothing changed. Your information is still the same. But you can always go back to your application. You can check the information. How you can check the information? Go to your GCKey account, click on view your application submitted. So you will get the list of the documents that you have submitted. It will say these are the name of the documents, file names that you have submitted. Obviously, if you click on the documents, you cannot see the documents, and neither will you see any place where you can find my application. What did I submit? You cannot. There is no way you can see that. In that case, what you need to do is you need to go to the address bar. So when I'm saying address bar, I mean on the browser where you are submitted, where you're checking your application, on the top where you basically put your www.etc.com or whatever. In that address bar, the last segment of what you are seeing, it would show documents to submit.do. Replace the last portion, documents to submit.do, with application checklist C capital, no space, application checklist C capital .do. Okay, when you click on this, your other information will become visible again, and you will be able to see your information you have completed, your personal history, your work history, etc. And you can then validate if you've entered everything correctly. Okay, I hope that helps. Absolutely subscribe and hit the like button. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time.